So I want to go over our sheet metal forming tools. We've got a brake here. You can use it, load material. The scale indicates how much material you're leaving. Usually we just cut material off, so I want to cut off maybe an inch strip. I'll go ahead and do that. Now there's a couple of safety issues on this machine that basically are the most common shop accidents we have. One is people will stick their fingers under this guard and it'll clamp down as you squeeze. And the springs in here are extremely tight and there's enough space to stick your finger under there. So I've done that a few times and it really hurts, so you want to keep that in mind. The second thing is when you cut, you don't want to have your foot here, especially when you're stomping on thick material. This thing will really get moving and it hurts a lot. So just make sure your foot's clear of that. Otherwise, you're going to have a bad time. Now, there's adjustments on here. You'll notice we didn't cut all the way through the material. So we can actually take a couple turnbuckles here, tighten these down so that the shear comes down a little bit further when we make a cut. So let's just do that again. And now the cut comes all the way through. On the back side of this machine, we have a stop. So you can run in and out. If you're cutting a bunch of sheets of the same width, this makes it a lot easier. What we have on here is we have a basically a coarse adjustment. If you lock this knob down, you can now make fine adjustments by turning this wheel, and that'll push it out a lot slower. Now if you want to lock that down, there's a second thumb screw you can turn, or you can get an Allen wrench on there and tighten it down a lot more. So that makes it a lot easier to do large runs of parts. I'm just going to grab that piece I cut off, and we're going to move over to the brake.